later. Okay, so as we saw with the demonstration with the pyramids and the prisms, you have to fill a pyramid 3 times in order to fill up a prism. So if you have a prism, okay, and if it's got the same base and height as the pyramid, if the volume of the prism is base times height, then the volume of the pyramid is 1/3 base times height. Okay? Alright. And the same with the cone. If the volume of a cylinder was pi r squared h, then the volume here is 1/3 pi r squared h. Alright? Of the cone. So here, let's find the volume of this cone. We have a radius of 3 and a height of 7. So the volume is 1/3 pi r squared h. And, it helps to do as much mental math as you can. So this is 1/3 pi, 3 squared, times the 7. So mental math. 3 squared is 9, divided by 3 is 3, times 7, this is 21 pi. So altogether it's 66 cubic feet. Well, remember we said it's a third, right? Because the cone has 1/3 the volume of a cylinder. It's the same. This. Yeah.
I'm confused when you did the mental math part. Why did you divide everything else by like 1?
This is a 9 divided by 3 is 3 times 7 is 21 times pi.
Oh, it's one of the...
Right. If it's the mental math that's,
okay,
getting you, then, don't worry about it. And if you wanna put this all over 3, that's fine as well.
No, it's just, like when I did it, I just did, like 9 times 7 is 60.
Just get the right answer.
Okay.
Okay. Here we have a pyramid. We need to find the area of the base. The base is a square. It's a rectangle. So the area is 16 times 10. 160. Now, the volume of the pyramid is 1/3 base times height, which means it's 1/3 times 160 times 12. Okay? And how much would that be? Right. Okay? Okay. So we have only 2 more. In the next one, we have a cone. And we know that the formula for the volume is 1/3 pi r squared h. Well, we have the height, but not the radius. Okay? This is the radius. What we're given, though, is an angle there of 60 degrees. So if that's 60, how big is this? 30. So this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Now, if this side is r, how big is this side? r root 3. And if r root 3 is equal to 12, then r is equal to 12 over root 3, which is how much? 4 root 3. 4 root 3. So, volume is 1/3 times pi times 4 root 3 squared times the height is 12. 1 over 3 times pi. What's 4 root 3 squared? 48 times 12. So this is 192 pi, which is how much? All of it together is 192 pi, so it's 603.2 millimeters squared, cubed. Okay? Because this and this give you 4. 4 times 48 is 192. Okay. The last one is a pyramid. And what shape is the base of the pyramid? It's a pentagon. So why don't we draw the pentagon here?
Was there a pentagon? Oh, look at that. Was there a triangle with a pentagon? Oh. This one again?
Yeah.
Was there like a pyramid with a pentagon base here?
Yeah, I don't know. Huh? Okay, so we're going to find the area of this and then the volume. Alright? So go. I'll give you a few minutes to do it. Alright? Let's pause this. Alright, and we're back. So we find, to find the area of the pentagon, this angle is 36. So tangent of 36 is 3 over A, which means A is 3 over tangent of 36, and I just left it that way. Perimeter is 30. So the base area is half times the apothem times P. If you do some mental math, not even mental math, just like, right. Cross out, simplify, blah, blah, blah. The base area is 45 over tangent of 36. Now, the volume is 1/3 base times height. So 1/3 times this times 10. 3 and the 45 give you 15. 150 over tangent of 36. And if you plug it in, I believe you get 206.5.
Double that, because we forgot to do that half.
Right. So, okay. Remember, this comes from dividing into triangles and finding the area. So what's the formula for the area of a triangle? Half times base times height. You're going to have that half in there. Okay? All right. So this homework will be due next class.